do you know that you can still monetize your Facebook fan page even though you don't have enough followers? When I say you don't have enough followers, I'm literally saying that you only have less than 1,000 followers, or even 100 followers will do. Okay, so if you are following my YouTube channel, you know that my subscriber is not really big enough. I'm a micro influencer. I just got monetized this month, and I'm striving hard to grow my YouTube channel. Now, aside from YouTube channel, I'm looking for other streamline to monetize my content, and I found this Facebook instant articles that is really applicable for anyone. You just need to create a Facebook fan page and a website. Okay, so what's the catch on this instant Facebook articles? Okay, so just like other monetization program, Facebook instant articles has a requirements, but it's not high than other requirements. Like in YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And for brand partnership, I believe you need to have 1,000 followers as well. And for the Streamline or other services, other monetization program from Facebook, you need to have at least 10,000 followers. So I mean, Facebook thing is really my least channel because the requirements are too high. But right now, I just found out that you can monetize your blog using instant articles. Okay, now normally when I do YouTube, I mean when I create videos on YouTube, I have an article version to guide my viewers on my videos, because sometimes I miss some information when I do recording in my videos. So if I have spare time, I create a blog version with a twist, because I normally add some info there and tips there that is not included in my videos. So yeah, that's what I normally do. Like I have a blog version of my videos. Now this instant Facebook articles really excite me because I can monetize my articles on Facebook. Like, yeah, I already have AdSense, I already have Adstero and Medium, like different ad display. But Facebook is one of the best platform that has a high RPM or CPM. And the audience in Facebook as well, or the community in Facebook is more active. Like, I mean, there's a lot of people use search engine to find their keyword, to find what they're looking for. But if you are in Facebook itself, it would be easy for you to drive traffic as long as you join to a community that is similar to your niche. So let's discuss the story. So what really instant articles will help you is you can claim your website, okay, to get verified into your fan page. Okay, so once you get verified your website into your fan page, you can participate into instant articles. Okay, so every time you share your blog into your fan page, and if someone clicks it, Facebook will pay you a money, or it depends on your on the CPM. So Facebook will pay you per 1,000 views. So if you drive a lot of traffic on that articles, then the more money that you can get. And at the same time, you are leveraging not just your ad display on your website, but at the same time, there's also other streamline that you can also take advantage, which is the Facebook monetization program. Okay, so how you can avail, or how you can be eligible for Facebook articles, or Facebook instant articles. So you need to have at least a fan page and at least 100 followers. But I don't think 100 followers is, let me just correct me if I'm wrong, but I will put it on my article description for the requirements for the fan page. But I have only 102 followers on my fan page. And then you need to verify your Facebook fan page and domain. Okay. And then the fourth one is you need to have at least 1,000 visits. So for me, I already have traffic. I already have more than 1,000 traffic on my blog, because I've been doing blogging since 2016, I believe. So you just need to have 1,000 traffic in websites to be eligible. So Facebook will approve you as their partner for the instant articles. Now, what if you're just starting out? So my suggestion with you is to look for a VA, a virtual assistant, or a freelancer that can promote your website, because 1,000 followers is not really high, I believe. If you are just serious in this other streamline, you can look some gigs on Fiverr. So I'm gonna put my link description below for the Fiverr, so you can get discount. If you use my link and sign up on Fiverr, you can get discount. So there's a lot of freelancers there offer $5 to promote your website. And
by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button and that bell notification to receive new videos from me. I also have other YouTube channels, so make sure you subscribe that as well.
You need to be careful in looking for the right freelancer. So just look for the right freelancer who can promote your website organically. So honestly, I haven't tried this one because I already have a blog. As I said with you, I've done blogging already since 2016. So just a disclaimer, I haven't tried this one, but that is the alternative if you don't have any views or your blog is still new. Now, when it comes to verifying your account or your website into your fan page, I highly recommend that you really have your own domain. I mean, you can use blogger.com, right? So, and with a extension of, let's say, lifestyle.blogger.com, you can do that. However, to expedite the approval process, I highly suggest that you have your own domain to be professional as possible as well. It's not just for approval process, but to make yourself professional. Okay. Now, what the good thing about instant articles is I'm not just into like getting money or getting paid in Facebook. It's about improving the user experience, because even though I only have 103 followers in my account, most of the traffic that I'm getting external traffic from my website are coming from Facebook, aside from Reddit. So I'm still working on the Quora. Quora is the least one, but so far Facebook and Reddit are performing well. So it's not just about, I'm not just aftering on making money on Facebook using instant articles, but I'm also triggered on the feature that will help me improve my user experience. Because if you share a instant articles on Facebook, it's the loading speed is better compared to clicking to external websites. So you will notice the difference between instant articles and a regular article is there is like a flash icon in there. Now, instant articles only work on mobile. If you are viewing your Facebook fan page in computer, then it will automatically goes to your external website. But yeah, I just need to check that out. You need to confirm that, so make sure you check my blog version as well. Now, if you want to learn more on how you can configure your instant articles, please check my other video, because my other channel is more about tutorials, like giving you a screen recording and how it works, like the step-by-step process. So if you want to learn more how you can set up your instant articles, how you can claim your website and get approved on Facebook, then check out my other video about how to configure your instant articles into your websites. And I'm going to use WordPress on this as an example, but this will actually works in all kind of CMS platform. So I'm going to put it in here probably, or maybe on the link description. So check that out. And I want to know your experience as well. Let me know if this is an interesting streamline that you want to try as well. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you find this valuable again, and I would really appreciate if you leave the comment below. I want to know what other topics you want me to cover on my next video, and if you already integrate or add the instant articles on your Facebook fan page, then let me know how it performs and how much money you were getting, and at the same time maybe how the engagement so far you are getting. Does it improve your engagement in Facebook versus the old way? So I want to know that. I really want to know your experience as well. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification, and thumbs up if you want to learn more videos.